Okay, so we are back with the Audi Q7 Smart Key remote. Also covers a lot of other cars. So we're going to take the Smart Key out, the emergency key out from the Smart Key to gain access to the battery. There's a button here and a button there. All the Smart Keys have this feature. This is the key for the door in case the battery dies out in the remote or the car itself. Now for the Audi, as you can see, the board sits right up in here, and there's a button here and a button here that you press in to get the board out. Oh, and the battery just flew out, as you can see. It's a 2032 battery, and it tells you to put the positive side facing down. So we're going to grab a new battery and we're going to put it in positive side first, and we're going to slide it in the way we took it out, which is this way. You can see the connector down there for the negative, until we hear a click. There we go, and that's it. We're done. And we're going to put the emergency key back on there. And we are all done. So that's how you replace the battery. We can also make sure we're getting a signal. We are getting a signal, so we're good to go. And that is how you replace the battery on an Audi Smart Key. Thank you for watching. See you next time.